Henry Kwame Ansu was handed in the first ever captain role for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And here is what it means. They bro, it will be Super 24 TV. When you say Kumasi Asante Kotoko, you know, say the two captains are Frederick Asare and Justice Blay. Yes. Now, for the first time in history and for the first time for the player, no, Obo Kumasi Asante Kotoko armband, no, after joining Kumasi Asante Kotoko a year ago from Brecum Chelsea. This is what it means. Brecum Chelsea no free by Oba club no fairly wabwa or a very committed player and I'm paying for who they said Obeboa na omode captain hamband no amano. See you nim say Kotoko captain there's no been any permanent appointment, but in line no, here's what it means. Once a enra because of coach and yes say bought some other players no who Frederick Asare ewo park no so wambo bi and Justice Blay so who no nti akoba say starting 11 and start you know the responsibility fell on Henry Kwame Ansu and I'm paying for the captain handman no a ball no nti who say Henry Kwame Ansu was the captain against Kotoko baby any go stars Kotoko share 1-0 kind courtesy inform Bernard Samoa. Now Kotoko is set to appoint Kwame Ansu as a deputy captain. That's what we've been told. Now the Abayane said either Justice Blay or Frederick Asare, one of them is going to be appointed as the main captain of the team. Now by acquire assistant captain. Justice Blay either so be a main captain and as an assistant, and as a Frederick Asare be main captain and as an assistant. Then she said the other clear there say the first deputy captain of Kumasi Asante Kotoko no akudi Henry Ansu ho. It is last season na Dan Lad and then a captain and Richmond Lamptey the assistant and the deputy first deputy no Mfege Rodriguez Umba. Until this time around the first deputy is going to fall on Henry Kwame Ansu. So Onono is going to be appointed because the third captain or first captain, second, and the third in line no, is going for Henry Kwame Ansu without any slight shake of doubt. Or no, and Kwame no.